Alright, so remember a long time ago I installed these? Got a new one of these. I have one of those things on the wall right there, you see it? Yeah, and if I plug those in, it does look nice. It definitely gave this like picture, looks like little contrast stuff. But that thing, you have to manually plug it in on the wall right there. And whenever I'm asleep or I'm back home, I'm tired, when I'm like about to sleep, I lay on the bed, then I have to walk up, pull it out, and go back, which might sound lazy, but that's kind of also one of the main reasons preventing me using them. But those things under bed, that thing is easy. I can just pull off my phone and I can just adjust the brightness right here, up and down. I can also set a timer, like what time when I fall asleep, it will lower down the brightness, or I'll just completely turn off. What time in the morning, I'll just come back up again. So this thing works really well. So I just bought another, it's the same brand. I just purchased another one, and yeah, I'm gonna use this one instead.
On the phones, dog, we speak waves about you.
I am going to Boostedboard, right? With my friend. We didn't really plan this, but I guess right now we're kind of doing it because I just find out I have no shoot today. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fun. Alright, let's go.
And if we're not the door, know your love will be gone, yeah. I know your love will be gone, yeah. Get you right, I'm gonna get you righteous. Get you right, I'm gonna get you righteous. Won't try to fight, I know you like. I know you like. Won't try to fight, nah, yeah. Get you right, I'm gonna get you righteous.
Oh god, I just fell. This is my hands. I just fell off my Boostedboard again. Last time I fell, I only fell twice. And last time I fell off my Boostedboard, it is when I broke my ankle. And today, I almost decided to bring this camera. If I fall with that camera, boom, everything's done. So I am kind of glad I didn't bring a big camera, but I also didn't record anything. I almost also want to bring this camera, but I did not, because right now I considered I'm on a break right now, so I don't want to record anything. Yeah, I didn't capture it. A little bummer, because yeah, I thought it still hurt. And now I'm gonna go out and get my new glasses. This is my new glasses. I ordered another one. It just arrived. I have to go get it right now. This is getting infected already. Whew. I just got more Band-Aid and this little cleaning solution for my hands injury from this guy. And I did go out and riding this guy yesterday, and yeah, even though I have so much injury like last year and right now from the board, I still love it. Here I got the glasses. Doing really unbox on camera because I feel like I don't really need it. This is the glasses I just got, and this is also one of the glasses I got. Which one looks better? I can't tell you. Still working on which one looks better. This one looks a little like my old glasses, but bigger. This one looks a little more rounded. I guess it looks a little less nerdy. Right now I kind of prefer this one than the one I got earlier. I also got this massive bean bags. What's my original plan is I can just laying down like this, and yeah, without actually going to my bed, because I don't like when I make my bed, then next thing is I just lay down there and mess it up everything. The problem is this beanbag is it's not big enough, so my leg is actually on the ground, and it just kind of feel like I'm laying on the ground, which not it's not ideal, but it still feel pretty comfortable. Oh my god, there is there's a lot of update going on right now. Logitech G90 over here. So I trying to build a little setup right here. I trying to put a steering wheel on here and put a brake and pedal right here. The reason why, there's two reasons why I put it on a table like this, because first of all, this mini table is too thick. The steering wheel has a little hook, it's too thick, so I can't really hook it up here. And the second, so it will hook on this little table. The second is, if I hook the steering wheel on here permanently, or like because I really don't want to move it, because it requires a lot of cable management. But if I put it here permanently, I'll not be able to use the laptop anymore. So yeah, that's two reasons I am building this setup. So if I want to use the laptop, I just literally like move this one to the other way or something, and yeah, I'll move the entire setup. This is accelerator stuff, and this is a set of Corsa, which is new, kind of like gaming sim. So yeah, I'm still struggling putting this on, and yeah, let's do a time lapse, I guess.
Get you right, I'm gonna get you righteous. Don't try to fight, I know you like. I know you like, yeah. Don't try to fight, fight, fight. That was the wavy part.
Oh wow, a lot of steering wheel response. Like it will. This steering wheel is funny. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, I fixed the car. This out is mildly success. I still need to get a lot of stuff fixed, but mildly success. Why is this so yellow? But yeah, I'm gonna get that fixed, and yeah, that's so cool. It feels so strange, just another top level experience.
Won't try to fight, oh yeah, get you right. I'm gonna get you right, yes, get you right. I'm gonna get you right, yes. Won't try to fight, I know you lie. I know you lie. Won't try to fight, 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 yeah.